I understand at the end. What is a master in the folk? The boy picked up a rough log from the roadside and came back. Go through yourself. After the ingenious operation and processing, I didn't expect. He made a beautiful one, a masterpiece of art, compatible with sky-high collections and museums. A business owner sees it. 80,000 bought him. The boy's wife was directly happy when she found out. Fathers and villagers of the village. I was amazed by the boy's skills. Let's take a look at the boy's waste. The whole process of treasure. You can see it now. The boy has fixed the wood on the lathe. Perform wheel pin processing. Clean the outer skin of the wood first. Then remove the uneven surface. Pin out circular outline. This process is still relatively simple. You only need the basic operation of engraving. Just achieve this effect. Then continue to carve the wood with a carving knife. Shape the contours of the artwork. Please pay attention to the operation details in the video. See here. I don't know if Lathe knows. What is this guy making? If you know, you can leave a message in the comment area. See if you got it right in the end. After the outside is polished, the inside also needs to be hollowed out and polished. This process is still difficult, not only to maintain the strength and precision of the hand. Always think the basic shape outline of the artwork you want to make, to ensure that the finished product achieves the desired effect. After some dazzling operation, the outline of the artwork is basically out. After processing, also use an angle grinder and sandpaper. All-round grinding of the corners. Sand all the rough areas smooth. Then deal with the bottom. So far, a beautiful creative vase is ready. It's a beautiful piece of work. It's so beautiful. No wonder the boss is willing to spend 80,000 to buy it. Do you think this wooden vase is worth the price? Tell me in the comment area. Thanks very much. See you in the next video.